Good job, girls. Good job. Okay, now it's for Daddy. Do it for Daddy. Girls, this is your first time jumping in without floaties.
Let's go back to my run.
Rosie, that was pretty far out. That was pretty far out, honey. Good job, sweetie. One more. Marie, that's pretty far out. Mama, be quiet. Good job, sweeties. Good job. Now at the same time? Okay.
Jake, go right here. Next to me.
Wait, hold hands though. And then let go when you hit the water.
Oh, you go.
Good job, girls. Wow. Girls, I'm really proud of you. Wow. Good job, sweeties. Wow, babes. All right, sweeties. Daddy is going to be so proud of you.
Now a video.
This is a video. Daddy is going to be so proud of you. It's still on, honey. It's still going. Oh, a swimming one? Get your little feet up, Rosie. Get your feet up. Wait, Marie, don't swim over your sister. Get your feet up. Good job. Good job. Hey, Rosie, get your feet up. You're running underwater, honey. Good job. What? End it. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Reed.
Bye. Bye, Daddy.
Say bye, Daddy, Reed. Say bye, Daddy.
Did you feel me?
Say bye, Daddy.
Touch the bottom?
Yeah. Good job, girls.